It's a well-known fact that Gigi Hadid is a big foodie. So when she shared her recipe for a delicious vodka pasta, the internet went into a frenzy.
Hey folks, I'm Chef Jasbir from TheFoodXP and I'm cooking something very special for you. Today I'm making Gigi Hadid vodka pasta. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
The ingredients you'll be needing for that are Fusilli pasta, of course. For the vodka sauce, you'll need onion, garlic, tomato paste, heavy cream, butter, salt, black pepper. Last but not the least, you'll need some vodka and Parmesan cheese. Start with cooking your pasta al dente. When it's done, move to the sauce. Heat some olive oil in a pan and add your garlic and onion to it. Cook them until the onions are translucent and then add the tomato paste. Add some heavy cream into the mix and cook for 5 minutes. It's time to pour your vodka and season it with some salt and pepper. Add the pasta and some butter to the pan. And lastly, add some Parmesan cheese. With this, your Gigi Hadid vodka pasta is ready. Let us know how much you like this recipe in comments. That's all for today. See you in the next video.